In this video, we traveled to the beautiful province of Kanchanaburi. We explore this incredible place, from beautiful waterfalls to unique cafes surrounded by rice fields and beautiful scenery. We visit some places that carry a lot of history and is one of the biggest attractions here. Kanchanaburi definitely has a lot more to offer than we realized. Join us on our adventure in this magnificent place. So we're here at the River Kwai bridge, which is also known as the Death Railway. It has that name because of the amount of people that lost their lives making this railway. It was done in World War II, but it was here in 1941, 42, 43, where the Japanese invaded and they wanted to build a bridge to Burma. And over 100,000 people died making this railway.
Very sad story.
It's extremely sad. They have a museum here as well, which we'll go check out after we walk along this bridge. I noticed this is also a photo shoot bridge. Everyone comes to take photos. They're all over the place. Yeah, we're busy trying to find where the museum is, but we're going to the other side of the bridge and then we will see what's on that side and then we'll go back and explore that side. But it's quite a long bridge. Very hard. Don't come in the afternoon. Okay, so this bridge is low-key kind of scary because it's so narrow, so when you go past people you're like eee! And there's little stubs sticking out. I literally tripped, so that was kind of scary, but we made it to the other side. Good. Okay, now we gotta go all the way back because there's not much here except for buffaloes. Oh, check the baby. Oh, it's so cute. You can smell them though, eh?
Oh yeah.
Whew. Okay, let's go back. See how narrow it is. Jason, just walk a little bit. The other side is so much bigger. This one is very narrow. That's the only walking space you have. That's it. So like Jason, walk past me. This is us. So we have to squish past each other. We're just stopping here at this market that's near the the railway. We're dying of heat and we're gonna get back in the car and drive somewhere else. But first we're getting some coconut water and coconut ice cream. Can I get a coconut ice cream?
You want water as well?
Yeah. So it's coconut water.
Yeah.
Okay, so 2 coconut waters and we can get one bowl.
And 1 ice cream.
Okay, so we finally decided where we want to go. So we're not going to go to the museum because it's the opposite direction.
Oh. Cows.
Moo! So farmy here. It's so nice. Getting so distracted here. Anyway, so we've decided we're going to go to a cafe because we're hungry and it's really hot. So it's called Mina Cafe. The pictures look really beautiful. So we're hoping it's the same place that we're going to. But it's a 30-minute drive. So we will
show you what's around there.
Yeah, when we get there. Yay! Okay, so we made it to Mina Cafe. Yes, finally. We're just gonna order a drink. So many drink options. I have no idea what I'm getting.
I think I'm gonna go for my 3rd coffee of the day. Wait, no, 4th coffee of the day.
Wow. Okay, now I'm not getting a coffee. I'm gonna get a rose tea with milk. That sounds nice. No, lychee soda. No. Yes. Okay, lychee soda for me and Jason's getting a coffee. Okay.
So you order your drink and then they say they'll bring it to you, but there's what about a sitting area? There's like over here on like a net. Oh, yeah, they too. You can sit inside there, down there. There's a lot of places to sit. Check the telescope.
Can you see the stars, Jason?
have like this long walkway area that you just go down towards the temple area. Rice fields. Okay, so we got our drinks.
How cute is these candles? You carry it, it's little the bamboo.
Yeah. So it's really cute, and we found a cute little spot here with some bean bags.
On the rice field.
Yeah, we wanted to get the nets, but they're full, but still beautiful. Okay guys, so this is where we're ending it today, and we'll be going to, what is it called?
Erawan Falls tomorrow.
Erawan Falls tomorrow morning.
The national park.
Yeah, so we'll see you then. Good morning everyone. So we're off to Erawan Falls this morning.
A nice hour drive.
Yeah, it's quite a far drive, but we are so excited. This is probably the main reason we wanted to come to Kanchanaburi. That and to see the whole railway.
And to stay on that river raft.
Yeah, which is in our other video. Go check that out if you haven't seen it. It's absolutely stunning. We've been dying to stay there. Finally got to stay there. And yeah, we'll see where today takes us. This is what we have planned. We're going to try and hit the spots. We're going to go to Erawan Falls, and after Erawan Falls we're going to go to there's another part of the railway station. Yesterday we went to the bridge. Now we're going to go to the actual death railway, where it's like up against this mountain. You see it in a lot of pictures. It looks really interesting, so we're hopefully going to get to that. So excited. We're just at the parking section now. I see it's a bit of a hike. Well, not a hike, you know, a bit of a trail to get there. We're going to go to the top. I know that Erawan Falls is like split up into different sections. We're gonna try to get to the highest one first and then work our way down. Or we'll just see how many people. We asked if there's a lot of people. They said about 10 or so, but we already see 2 big buses here, so I don't know how likely that is. But hopefully it's not too crowded.
If you're feeling lazy, they have a golf cart.
Yeah, so we're getting a golf cart ride, and it's 30 baht per person to get to the waterfall. In the middle, yeah.
Okay.
Convenient. If we have enough time, we will try to walk back, but we'll take the time, because obviously we try to cram a lot of stuff in, and everything's so far from one another. So we'll probably drive another 30 minutes or so to get to that railway, and then it's another 30 minutes from there back to our last hotel we stayed at, well, camping area.
The campster.
Yeah, the campster, where we will have to check out by 12. So everything's just on top of each other. So hopefully get it all done in time.
The days are so short.
Okay, so when you get here, you have to take a life jacket.
Why? I didn't know about this.
Well, it's nice. You can just float in the water.
Oh, to swim. I thought you had like go down rapids or something.
No. It's just a float in the water. I think it's just safety. So I'm going to take this one here. Do we have to check in somewhere, or I don't know. You want me to grab you this one?
Yeah,
That
sure.
looks big enough. Okay.
Might be a bit too big, but fun.
Okay, so for the life jacket, you have to pay 20 baht, and you're not allowed to swim unless you get a life jacket. So you pretty much have to pay 20 baht to swim. But it's for 2 hours, and then if you go over 2 hours, every hour you go over, it's 10 baht. So already it's looking beautiful. Okay, so we actually just saw the first section, which we'll come back down to later, but it's so beautiful. So we're gonna try not get distracted by each one we go past. We're gonna try run up to the top, not run, let's be real. We're not gonna run. Try get up as fast as you can to the top one. I'm already out of breath. Why are we always so unfit? But we only got to level 2 now. Okay guys, so we actually go past it, all the levels. So we're just going to show you because we can't just walk past it and not look at it. But here's this one, really beautiful. This is level 3. Okay, so that was not level 3, that was just a bridge. It says do not swim there. Whoopsie. There's actually quite a bit of people, so the lady who said 10 people only, lying. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, we're only on the 4th level and we're out of breath. How are you feeling?
I'm very exhausted. There's a lot of stairs to climb.
A lot. Oh gosh. Okay, so this is level 4. Woo. Beautiful. Stopped at number level 5, which is my long, because we just want to take a break because I see a lot of people are racing to the top, so I think it's going to be full there. So we're going to swim here while it's still quiet. We're the only ones here, which is really nice. So we're going to have a bit of a swim and then head up. This one's also super beautiful. Now you can see the crowds of people that are coming in now. Oh, sorry guys, we couldn't film when we were in the water. Something happened when it was in the case, so we didn't get any footage from it, but we got a few little snippets, and now we're heading off to level 6 and 7 to have a look. If there's too many people, we're probably not going to swim and make our way back down. But you know, you have to go to level 7 and see it. Apparently, from what we heard from the lady on the golf cart, she says number 7 is the best and everyone runs there. So, well, not actually runs, but you know what I mean. Finally we made it. It better be worth it. Because, oh my goodness, I'm out of breath. Oh, there's a lot of people here. This is it. Oh wow.
Beautiful. It's like from a movie or something. This sign makes you feel so good. You're the conqueror.
All the steps we climb. Oh gosh, definitely worth it though. But we're not going to swim because it's shallow, and the place where you can swim, there's too many people. So we're going to go back down and find one of those nice swimming spots, and hopefully the camera works again. Okay, so we're back here at number 5. We just decided this is our favorite for swimming. Every time we get here, it's quiet, and as soon as I turn around, all the people are coming in. I don't know why. Okay, so we finished swimming there. Very strange experience with those fish because
got our hands and feet tickled.
Yeah, it's like one of those fish pedicure things. You know, when you go and put your feet in the tank and all the fish come to your feet and eat all the dead skin. There was big ones deeper in, so we were a little bit chicken to go deeper just because of how big the fish were, because we're like, the little ones actually hurt a little bit. So could you imagine the big ones? So we're now heading back, exhausted.
And we'll see from there where we'll be heading up.
Yeah, we're hopefully going to the railway, but we got to check time. So unfortunately, we're not going to be able to go to that bridge we wanted to go to. That what was it? It's called Tam Kra Sao. I'll put the name at the bottom. But it really looked really nice. But it's 52 minutes from where we are all the way back, and we need to get back to Bangkok to give the car back. So we've just run out of time. Unfortunately, we spent too much time at the waterfall there, which was beautiful. We loved it. So definitely worth it. It was fine. But we're gonna end the video here, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Bye.